Yo, what's the deal, man? It's your boy Chris Garcia coming at you guys again. Crypto Godson. As you can tell, I just changed my name to Crypto Godson. Some of you guys may know I do have a clothing brand named Godson. I have the trademark for it and everything. So I was like, why not just carry over the name, keep the brand the same when it comes to, my efforts within the crypto space. So you guys will now know me as Crypto Godson from this point forward. All right, so let's get right into it. So today I'll be talking about who to follow if you want. So if you're new to crypto, who to follow if you want to stay up to date and you want to, improve your skill set and improve your overall knowledge within the crypto space. But not only that, the macroeconomic space, the technicals, everything that's needed to get into the crypto space and get out to the right foot. If you're interested in crypto, you're interested in Bitcoin, who do I subscribe to on YouTube? And I want to make sure that you guys have all the tools that you need whenever you're coming into this crypto space, because honestly that was the hardest thing for me to find. And doing it was fun. I subscribed to a lot of people, joined a lot of groups, Telegram groups, group me's, even chat groups, joined a lot of chats, got interactive with a lot of chats, bought a few courses. But I wanted to make sure you guys know where you can find free value on YouTube every day without purchasing any courses, buying any monthly membership, any monthly signal groups, any of that. You can just get all of this value for free. And this involves technical analysis and fundamental analysis. So the chart, and then also like the news, the macro influences, like what's going on in the crypto space, and what could affect the crypto space. So first, I would like to basically recommend you guys to subscribe to the Inner Circle Trader. As you can see here, this guy, you can just see the pictures here. He's a technical trader, so he's very technical. He is, I believe he was a former institutional trader, like big time trader. I'm not sure for which funds, but he describes it in one of his videos. But just know he's coming from that pedigree, and he's on YouTube giving value for free. Yeah, I don't know any other way to explain that. Like, this guy was a legit trader. He traded for a living, and now he's giving all the knowledge that he's gained from his, I believe it's over 20, it might be 30 years of experience. Don't quote me on that, but you can go basically do your research and definitely watch some of his videos. He gives very good value, and you could just honestly just watch his videos, and you won't have to watch you won't have to purchase any course out there in the forex space, and you'll be set. This gives you, he does talk about, I said he's technical, but obviously he's a trader, so he evaluates other things like obviously psychology and mental state, and he discusses those things really in depth. So I highly recommend you guys follow him. Subscribe, obviously. Next, Chat with Traders. So Chat with Traders, this is a similar take. Like I said, I think these foundational skill sets, learning how to look at a chart with the Inner Circle Trader, is going to be very helpful, because it translates to any chart. It could be stocks, it could be crypto, it could be forex. You need that skill set to be able to look and diagnose. You want to train your eyes, and that takes years and years, and hours and hours of looking at charts. So don't expect yourself to get it overnight, but just start the journey, and make sure you're feeding yourself the right information. This guy right here, Chat with Traders, I would definitely recommend this one. As you see, in the name, he chats with basically a lot of institutional, well-known traders in all types of markets, like the oil market. He has psychology videos, short sellers, day trading, even esports versus stock market. He has all types of stuff, high-speed traders. So you can get a take on all the different types of trading. Just take 2 cents from all the, the different traders that he brings on here in interviews is very helpful in getting more of a cerebral understanding of, what you're doing, or what you intend to do, and what you could do, and what maybe you might like better, and what suits your overall personality. Because you got to keep that in mind when you're jumping into the financial space. Try to find what suits your personality. If you're kind of slow moving or you're fast moving, you may want to cater your trading your trading strategy to something that caters to that. If you want to be a day trader, you might want to be one of those type of people that have a quick brain, fast moving. Or if you're the type of person that thinks through every decision and he doesn't make a quick decision, you might want to invest more long term, more cyclical trades, monthly, yearly. Yep. So honestly, chat with traders is the perfect video to put on like when you're taking a shower, cleaning the kitchen, driving in the car, because usually there's not too many visuals. It's more like a podcast type vibe. So just so you know, this is perfect for when you're just, on the go, working out, anything. Inner circle, as you can see, here's a little more visual. So you kind of want to sit down, put on your big screen in your living room and just engage in these type of videos. So I want to make sure you guys know that as well. All right, next, Anthony Pompliano. So this guy is like the leader of the crypto space. He's kind of like on the front lines. If anybody is interested on the institutional level, usually he's the guy we point to, and he's the guy that introduces, all these fund managers and these institutional traders to Bitcoin. Usually the first guy people go to. He's like I said, he's in the front line, so he covers everything, not only crypto, but even this lunch money series he's doing. I've been really enjoying this. As you can see, I've watched like everything. He basically does an overview of not only the crypto space, but also like what's going on in the stock market and the overall, the macroeconomic view, the government. So you can just get a good view. And his videos are pretty short. This one is the same thing. You can it's like a podcast. They don't really show too many visuals on there, but he also has this other series where he does basically do like a podcast, type thing with he brings in different, obviously successful people, people that come from the gold space. They're interested in crypto technology. He brings in a lot of people. I'm just reading off of it, obviously, but he brings in people from all types of industries, even psychedelics. Like he brings in, people from all over, and very sharp guy. I encourage you guys to learn from him. He is more macro. I wouldn't go to him if you're trying to like learn, trading at all. He's more macro, like buy Bitcoin and hold it. Like that's it. It's simple. And he's very pro, crypto, obviously. Not necessarily bullish on altcoins, although, he is, bullish in the whole altcoin space, but he's, crypto is, led by the whole Bitcoin movement, the Bitcoin vision, the Bitcoin white paper that Satoshi Nakamoto set forth. And if you want to learn more about that and, learn his point of view, I definitely recommend that. And honestly, he's very, I guess, sharp when it comes to explaining. He has some explainer videos. He has a lot of interviews. He does a lot of keynotes. So he has a lot of content. He probably puts out the most content on a high stage. And most of his content you can just walk around, do what you got to do. Like I said, work out, drive, whatever. No technicals really on this page, so you can do what you got to do while you watch this guy's videos. Next. All right, next, Altcoin Daily. So, as you can see here, the name of the page is Altcoin Daily. So he focuses on, obviously Bitcoin. We're always going to talk about Bitcoin if you're talking crypto, but his name, he's going to give you more insight to all the other cryptocurrencies out there that aren't Bitcoin, which we refer to as altcoins. So you definitely want to follow him if you're interested in exploring, other altcoins, investing in other altcoins. And it's actually twins that run this page. Sorry, yeah, it's twins that run this page. His videos are very visual. Their videos are very visual. They drop one literally every day almost. I don't know if they've ever missed a day, or they did here, but they drop one at least every day. And they bring in people, they interview people, but they're really good for staying up to date with the news on a daily basis because crypto moves super fast. It's like 10 times faster than, the stock market, NASDAQ, all that, the S&P. You want to, keep up to date with the crypto space. You need to follow these guys, and they post all the critical information that you need. And most of their videos are, like you see here, like 10 to 12 minutes. So it's really quick. And their videos are visual, so you kind of want to sit down. You don't have to, but they're not technical at all, more fundamental. They're more fundamental, so that means they talk about more of the use case, the value, the true value, instead of the price fluctuations. Like they're not trying to jump in and out, more of a buy and hold approach, more of a cyclical trading approach. That's more so what I identify with for my trading strategy. I trade basically like cyclical and more fundamental trader. Obviously with the technical skill set that I've gained, from watching Inner Circle Trader, that paired together, creates a, unstoppable combination. So you have to know, in the crypto space, the fundamentals are very important, super important. So you want to stay up to date. All right, next. So, Crypto Daily is the next person I would highly recommend everybody to subscribe to. His videos are a mix of comedy and fundamental crypto news and analysis. So his videos are very entertaining. His videos, I definitely recommend you guys sit down and watch his videos. These aren't the videos you want to watch when you're on the go. He, like I said, he infuses a bit of comedy, a lot of memes, and because if you've been involved in the crypto space at all, you know the meme culture is very strong. So he incorporates that, and he has a lot of visuals. So his videos are very well put together. He doesn't release too many, although recently he has been uploading about every other day or so. Even though his name is Crypto Daily, he doesn't necessarily upload videos daily. His videos are very valuable though, and they provide you with more of a macro outlook, you know, more of a zoom out, a bird's eye view outlook on the whole crypto space and why Bitcoin is valuable and the changing dynamics in the world we live in. And like I said, he's funny, so you can, you know, nothing wrong with getting a laugh or two while you're learning about crypto. Next, Chico Crypto. So like it says here, the most trustless name in news. So he's a very insightful, I guess, altcoin. I guess I call him a teacher. I mean, he teaches me a lot about altcoins, the altcoin space, and he goes really deep. He does really deep dives into the altcoin space, as to where I don't know if I'll get that value anywhere else on YouTube or on the internet, period, because he does a lot of in-depth analysis on the crypto space. And when I say that, I'm more so referring to the teams behind these crypto projects. He does a lot of research on like what's going on, under the hood. So if you want to know like not surface level news, like if you don't want to be like, because we read headlines all the time, we watch the news at home, but so I would think of that, but then you also have like what's really going on the scenes, under the hood. You want to know like if you're undecided between a few different altcoins, he does really in-depth analysis, particularly in the decentralized finance space right now because that's super hot right now. Also in other altcoins that honestly I don't know that anybody else is doing breakdowns on, and a lot of his videos are based on a particular theory that he has, and he justifies it by providing evidence. So his videos are very thorough and very well put together. His videos are definitely recommended to that you sit down and watch his videos. These aren't the videos that you want to go watch while you're on the go or listen to while you're on the go working out. Like I said, driving the car, you want to sit down and watch his videos for the most part. Most of his videos are about 10 minutes long, 10 to 15, pretty short, a good video, bite size. And then he does do streams typically once a week or anytime that news, drops that's really big that he, obviously sees the need to, do a stream. He does a lot of streams and he does provide a lot of insight in those streams. So I do recommend the streams as well, not just the videos that he posts. And this is another person, I keep up with all these, but him, I definitely watch every day. Altcoin Daily, Crypto Daily, Well, honestly, chat with traders, Inner Circle Trader, they're more so like whenever I feel the need to get that technical insight again, or if I have time to listen to a trader I want to talk, listen to. Those are like maybe honestly like every other week, maybe. But Anthony Pompliano, Altcoin Daily, Crypto Daily, Chico Crypto, honestly watch pretty much 90% of the videos they post because that's how much value they're giving. Like I said, Chico Crypto, he gives a unique perspective on really in-depth analysis of some of these altcoins, not surface level news, but in-depth analysis. So he's somebody when you're making trading decisions or just want to, learn more insight about what's going on. You would definitely want to, listen to his videos, and his videos are really technical at times. So be prepared for that. Really technical. Sometimes they go over your head. You might have to rewind a few times, go do your research, but he's a really sharp guy. So definitely recommend subscribing to Chico Crypto. All right, next, LeoTrade. So he's another really insightful guy. He's very sharp when it comes to explaining the decentralized finance market, altcoins, anything other than Bitcoin. If you're interested in, not just Bitcoin, others, you want to learn about those, you definitely want to listen to him to make those right investments, to make those 100x gains. He's really good about explaining his insight. Yep. So LeoTrades is really sharp. Honestly, I would put him in kind of the same bucket. Like he's really focused on altcoins. Obviously Bitcoin is a leader, but he goes really in depth about the behind the scenes, the technical side of the teams behind these crypto projects. And also he's really good if you want to learn about really low cap crypto altcoins like that. What I mean by that is like not lower than 100 million market cap, not lower than 10 million market cap. Sometimes he basically focuses on even lower than that. Sometimes under $1 million market cap. So that means the potential for gains, 10x gain, is relatively easy compared to Bitcoin, $1,000 jump. Like for a coin to go, a fraction of a penny to a penny is a lot easier than Bitcoin, to jump $1,000 just because of the liquidity and the market cap and the value that is needed to jump the price up. He's very insightful for learning about the altcoins when they're on the fringe before they become, mainstream, well, not mainstream, but crypto insider knowledge. So even before the crypto insider knowledge, he tries to get them before they're even known in the crypto space so that, obviously we can jump in those and make some money, and obviously diversify our risk by, investing in all the different altcoins that the crypto space has to offer. Like I said, you want to go to him for low cap gems, micro cap gems, and that you can potentially make 1000x games. And he has done that a few times already. So honestly, I have to do a little bit more watching on my end to watch him. And like I said, he's very insightful for low caps. So he's somebody I'm going to be watching more. And that I compare to Nick Patel, because they focus on the low caps and the micro caps and how to cyclically trade these things. So definitely would recommend him. And like I said, he's more for the in-depth, the trader like me that's willing to put some money in a low cap gem and not just invest in the high caps. The Bitcoins, the Ethereums, the Cardanos, the Link. If you want to get into some that have more upside potential, and obviously there's going to be a little bit more risk there, and you're willing to do that, I definitely recommend him. Next, BoxMining. This guy, he does a lot of streams. So this is somebody you just kind of want to just put in the background while you're, doing whatever you're doing around the house, driving. His streams are usually 8 p.m. Pacific time. So that's what is that? 6 p.m. Central time. And then on the East Coast, that'll be what is that? 5. Yeah. So anyway, so he does a stream like basically every night, every evening, depending on where you live, or in the United States particularly. He goes really in depth. His streams are basically, what's going on today. What is he experiencing? What is he seeing? He's really sharp. Like you see, I mean, all these guys are really sharp. They have like the followers to show it, the subscribers to show it. He has been going really super in depth the decentralized finance space, yield farming, just basically, everything to dealing with the whole, obviously the Ethereum space, but obviously the decentralized finance space specifically lately. He has a different perspective. I believe he lives in Hong Kong, and obviously he has a whole different perspective just because of that. And I like his name says, he's really insightful on mining and the whole mining game. And he goes really in depth on, like I said, the DeFi space, decentralized finance space, and he talks to a lot of people. His views are just like a totally different perspective. Me being an American, following American YouTubers, obviously, but he has a more in depth, I guess, just knowledge base that otherwise I don't know if I would get that value. Like all these people, I mean, everybody has their own unique view on the market, and he's really good for, to kind of like debunking, what I'm hearing from this guy, what I'm hearing from that guy. You want to make sure that you listen to guys like this that are actually doing it, and not just teaching it, because he comes from it from a perspective like, this is what I'm doing, this is what I'm seeing, whereas some of these other traders would be more on the, this is what, more of a teaching perspective where he does it. Whereas like, I'm with you, this is what I'm doing, this is what we're doing. He's an active trader, so I feel like he's like my bro, and he's just telling me like what he's doing, So it's really good to like get somebody that's has their skin in the game. Not saying any of these other traders do, but it's just the perspective he goes into these videos with is just more relaxed, and it's refreshing, listening to him. Definitely recommend that. And his videos are a little longer, like I said, so be prepared for that. Yep, and he's really in depth. Yep, and he's really involved in the DAO, so the what is it? Decentralized autonomous organizations. He's been really involved in those. So if you're interested in learning what a DAO is, which is a new hot topic now, you definitely want to listen to his videos, watch his daily updates, his live streams. Super insightful. That's I think that's it for BoxMining. Let's see what he has here. Live streams, blockchain exchange, MetaMask tutorials. Yeah, he does a lot of tutorials as well. Oh yeah, oh yeah. One thing I did miss though, Chico Crypto, he does do portfolio updates. So that is something I would definitely recommend you guys check out. He's in the game too, is obviously he shows his updates. And a lot of these YouTubers do it, but he has a whole video that has like a breakdown of why he did the decision, why he traded out of this coin, why he accumulated more of this coin. So those are very insightful. All right, next, I think this is the last one, Crypto Dad. So he is your tutorial guy. If you want to know how to do anything within the crypto space, definitely go to him. He tells you how to do everything. If you just bought you a Ledger Nano S to store your crypto, like me, and you want to learn how to, how to store it, how to send it, how to receive it, how to reset it, how to restore it, how to store a private key. Particularly, I'm about to use one of his videos really soon because I'm about to replace my phone. So, and on my phone, I do have the authenticator, the two-factor authentication, whatever. And so I need to back up, all of those the codes that I have on there, and he has a video about that. So I'm definitely gonna watch his video for that. Phishing has been going on in the ledger space. He has a video how to protect yourself from phishing. If you're interested in Monero, how to work with Monero, he has videos about that. Basically, any new platform that comes on the space, he figures it out and drops a video. How to work with MetaMask, any new exchanges, anything. Honestly, anything you want to learn. Like he has so many tutorials, and he does do live streams as well. If you have questions you want to ask him like real time, I believe he does those. What is that, like once a week or so? Seems like it's about once a week. And those are really helpful. Like I said, it's just more relaxed. But for anything Brave browser, how to withdraw your BAT token from the Brave browser, everything. His videos are super helpful. Definitely recommend you guys check him out. And if you have any new exchange that you're interested in, I would go to him first before you learn from anybody else. I think with that's it. With all these YouTubers, I believe you'll be set when it comes to, like I said, like it says here, tutorials, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, the DeFi space, what is it, what is going on with Ethereum, what's going on under the hood in this altcoin, low cap gems, macroeconomics, how crypto relates to the real world that we know, like, the stock market, is Fidelity, Goldman Sachs. What are they doing with crypto? What is going on in the U.S. government? What's going on between China and the U.S. and how does that affect crypto? I think this will cover all you need to know. And obviously learning from the best. I think it's important that you learn from the best. It's really easy to get your vision clouded in the crypto space with so much information, and there's so many different people that claim to be experts, or traders, or investors, or claim to have, show this dollar amount on their page, and you want to learn from them. It's important that you do get a taste of different people, but it's important that you don't broaden that too much because your vision can get cloudy. You do want to definitely get, kind of like taste testing at the mall. You want to taste what you like before you go do it. So you definitely want to make sure you trial out or at least get a taste of different strategies and different ways of accumulating more crypto, or day trading, or trading forex. You want to get different insights, so so you can figure out what fits you. You need to fail fast. Honestly, you need to fail, and you need to figure out what doesn't work and what will work, and then that's how you know where you're going to put all your eggs. You need to put I think it's important that you put your eggs in one basket and you watch it, and you know what you're doing, and you realize that that if you take the space really seriously, it'll pay off. So I want to make sure you guys are ready to go when it comes to YouTube. And I think YouTube is where the most value is. Telegram, Twitter, there's a lot of value, but I think YouTube is where the most bang for your buck is. So with that, I'm out.